this was a new fun.
Coming closer and I don't know where I'm going. You be on my phone thinking about what's my problem. I don't go alone and get it how I want it. I don't be alone to figure out how. Drip, drip, cornflakes. Give you a kiss, kiss, I'll be okay. Drip, drip, cinnamon.
Dreams, so picture perfect, the 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a quick smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture three crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me for niggas violated. They chased and they raped me, even though it wasn't me. I could feel a grief thinking with your brains blown. That would make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, cause they win when your soul dies. Baby, please don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, head up.
Hey face, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog is going to be a 5 a.m. productive day in my life. It's basically a day in my life, but it's going to be productive ish. And I woke up by 5 a.m. technically 4:50 to set up the camera and all of that, but you guys don't need to know that. Anyways, I don't know what I'm really going to be. I don't know why I'm always touching my hair. I don't know what I'm really going to be vlogging today, but just bits and bob of everything. I doubt today is going to be productive. Then again, I don't really know what the day has for me. Yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed this vlog and thank you for clicking this video. Talk from either my mom or sister school. By the way, I removed my nails. I had an everything shower yesterday. Yeah. Then my skin dress from the market, earring from the market. Yo, Jericho. The camera better. Okay, so guys, we're actually going to buy something. Yeah, me and my uncle. He's driving.
I started recently. I knew you. I don't like it, get it, Life is good, man. Life is good. Life is good.
Let me drive to front so you cannot disturb me.
Okay.
Had fun at her dance last.
I was editing my thumbnail right now and I got so overstimulated. I just had to like step out where there's fresh air. If not, I'm not just going to operate properly. I'm not going to function well. Currently doing videos for my daddy. Yay!
Can we talk?
rushed me. He rushed me. I don't know why he rushed me, but he rushed me. Editing piece here with her new phone. Ignore my socks. Period. Anyways, let me just give you guys a little gist. I think if you follow my snap, you actually know what's going on. But if you're not my snap, if you are new here, you will not know what's going on. So basically, my uncle and I, we left the office very early. I said the vlog would be so chaotic, but like I still vlog because I don't know, something in me just told me to vlog, and I was happy I vlog because my siblings actually came that day from But anyways, my uncle and I left the office early, and he was like telling me that he was going to do something. My dad sent him to do something, and normally he always does that, so I don't even think of anything like that. Then we're passing my house. He now like left my house. I was not like like what's actually going on, like drop me so that you go and do what you want to do now, because I didn't want to use public transport, so I would just go home at the same time he's going to where he's going, because he was already like, I was almost closing that time. He now passed me. When I going, the next clip you're about to say, I was going to the airport, so I just said let me explain what's actually going on. Then I think from here I can actually like connect the dots. From the airport, he was surprising me, then and I saw my siblings, and yeah.
What are you doing? What video are you doing right now? Oh my days! I'm fine! Uncle P! So this is what you've been doing since!
To come in with a voiceover here, we went to also surprise my younger brother from school. He was so excited. I was so happy. Like none of us really expected it. Like nobody told us, so it was just like a shocker. But anyways, after that we just went to buy lunch. I think after this clip I didn't really vlog much because my siblings are home. Like let me actually drop the camera and actually like hug them, cry, talk things out. You get. But I'm really sorry that this vlog is so chaotic, guys. Please forgive me. Then we arrived home. My mom already knew, but obviously it's been a long time since you have seen her baby. So yeah, hugs, tears, blah blah blah. My phone actually went off, so I used my mom's phone to video a little bit. Everybody were basically eating and catching up. After all the hustle and bustle, after eating our bole, my brother and my sister now surprised me with a new phone, 14 Pro Max. Mind you, I asked for 13, so I was very, very grateful. You guys guess, oh god, you guys guess what? Abby has a new phone, baby. Guess what? A new phone. You guys guess who has a new phone? You guys guess who has a 14 Pro Max? Me. Hello. Oh my days, I'm so happy, bro. Like, guys, you guys have come to the ending of today's vlog. I'm super sorry that it is so short. I look thought it's going to be long because I vlogged a lot, but I think after like cutting everything, it just became so short. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to make it up next week on our first episode 1 summer diaries. I don't really do this episode thing because I can do an episode 1, I can totally forget about that playlist. So thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for clicking this video. Come back next week anytime you say I post a video. Make sure to hit your notification bell to know when I post, and yeah, see you guys in our next vlog. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe to all my socials at Yrfavlady, my Snap, WhatsApp channel. Mimi.